You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French movie. La cage aux folles, meaning the cage of the crazies or something. La cage, meaning the cage. Aux folles. Folles are, people that are a bit crazy. It sometimes also designates gay people. La cage aux folles is how it's said. La cage aux folles. La cage aux folles. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.